Why else would anybody build a wall in the middle of the woods?
Duh, to keep out the other trees.
Well, I got another one for you. The world is right when stars align. When not in sync, the danger you'll find.
Stars? I'm not waiting around here till night.
No, I don't think he means actual stars. I mean, the water didn't really turn to bone.
Well, what do you think it means, Hiccup?
Why are you asking him? Maybe I know. I said maybe. Turns out I don't.
Huh. There are shapes carved into each one of these bricks.
Keep a lookout for anything that looks like a star.
Got one! Put it back, put it back, put it back! Hook fang! Hook fang!
Okay. It says in sync. That means there must be another star.
Over here!
I think we're supposed to pull them out at the same time. Rough? Tough?
This is amazing.
Oh, man.
Ugh, it's so hot. Is anybody else hot? Cause I'm really hot.
I know, I'm sweating like a dragon at an eel party.
Guys, is it just me, or is the floor moving?
Toothless, can you give us some light?
That's why it's so hot in here. Fireworm dragons.
Whoa.
Stop! Their skin burns hotter than the sun.
Yeah, but how hot can the sun really be? Ouch! Ow! Ow!